Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick review on this back brace right here. Now, before I put the back brace on and let you see just how it fits, I have to go over some details about this back brace. Now, it has this elastic material to where it can stretch. Really stretchy material. Then it has right here, this is for your lumbar support, and this really right here is a game changer. I can wear this for my workouts. I can wear this as a posture corrector. I can wear this for so many different things, but I purchased it because I have a move coming up and I needed to have a back brace to support my back because I'm going to be helping movers during this move. Now, I'm going to put it on and just show you. This is a size small. I stand at about 5'10", 185, and I have a smaller waist, but I have a muscular build. And for me, this fits really well. So now it's on, and it's secure. It feels good, and you're able to stretch. So as you can see right here, you can see the material stretch as I pull it to secure. And it's a small. Strap it on there first, and then I have a second level of support right here on the sides that offer even more support right there. So now, like, the amount of support that I'm getting from this is a game changer. This is really better than any like weightlifting belt that you can wear. I would go with this over a weightlifting belt. So if you're in the market for a back support brace that's the support that it provides is excellent, and you might need it for weightlifting or move, you might want to look into getting this right here. Enjoy.